ঢাক বাজা কাশর বাজা উলু দেয়ার শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা মা হে ঢাক বাজা কাশর বাজা উলু দেয়ার শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে।
What's up people? So if you're new here, this is me Shuchishmita and it's my channel Bongkuri. In today's video I have created this Ashtami makeup look like some bindi, some jhumka, and you will get that Bengali vibes. And yeah, so if you know how will I create it, then please keep on watching. So first, starting off with the Oriflame pore minimizing primer. It is actually a very nice primer and smoothens your base very nicely for the foundation. I'm applying on my T-zone because my T-zone tends to get very oily. You can also apply it all over your face, it doesn't really matter. Then for the foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And don't forget your neck, because or else the complexion between your skin and the neck will look different. And then I'm taking a damn beauty blender this is a very nice foundation for oily skin people. It blends so nicely onto your skin, and personally this is one of my absolute favorite foundation. Then for highlighting my face, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is a very lightweight concealer, and the thing is, this is not so much high coverage. You can make it like that by building up it. Using the Miss Clear Ultra Glow Contour and Highlighter palette, and I'm using this powdery shade and I'm going to set all my face. And then taking this shade to bronze up my face. I thought that this palette won't be that pigmented, but OMG, I recently got it, but the pigmentation is so good. And for today I won't be using any blush because I love the way it is looking like a sun-kissed face. And moving on to my eyes, I am using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette and taking this brown shade as my transition color. I will slightly define my crease. I won't be going heavy, and I'm dusting off the excess. As you can see, I'm going with a very gentle strokes and going with a circular motion. this palette is actually very good. The colors are very pigmented. It's not like chalky or patchy. It will pop out. And if you think by using only high-end products you will get the pigmentation and stuffs like that, but it is not true. It is actually a myth. There are some brands like Revolution. I personally love Makeup Revolution palettes. They are actually very pigmented. So if you want something like on the neutral basis or like browns, then glitters, then you can definitely go and check out their palette, because this gives the same result. And I have used a lot of eyeshadows, but I love them, and this palette is actually very good. And then from their Marvelous Mattes, I am going to take this green color and will apply on the outer corner. And then I'm going to apply some glitter eyeshadow on the inner corner, and I'm going to use this brown glitter shade. And I'm applying it with the help of my fingers only. And as you can see, I did not get any fallouts. These palettes are very smooth, OMG. I actually love it. For my waterline, I am going to apply the Oriflame kajal. And I applied the falsies off camera, and I did the eyebrows off camera as well, because you know how do I do my eyebrows. So and I'm applying the kajal like this as well. And now I'm going to smudge it. For my lower lashes, I am going to use the Maybelline Temptation Mascara. For highlighting my face, I am using the same Miss Clear palette and using this golden highlighting shade. That's pigmented. I'm highlighting all the usual high points of my face. And now, as the eyes are very dramatic and heavy, so I think I will go with some nude shade, and I have this ADS Matte Me in the shade 409 Rose Blossom. I'm going to apply it very lightly. I will add Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Clay Crush on top of it. And now I'm happy with the way this lipstick looks. I'm quickly going to apply the bindi, the earrings, some churni, and I will do my hair as well, and I will right back. I really love the way this look has turned to একটা Bengali ছোঁয়া লাগছে, and you know what else you need from a Bengali girl when she wears a bindi, some jhumka and some kajal? যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে একটা লাইক দেবেন, and also share my channel with your friends, family, so they can recreate this look as well, and also subscribe into my channel because যাই করছি সব তোমাদের জন্য, যাতে you can also follow me and you love me, and whatever I am starting doing now, if I have 100 subscribers, it is all you. I owe to you because যেটুকু আছে ওটুকুও হতো না. So whatever it is, that's it. আমার ইনস্টাগ্রামও চেক করতে পারো, ওখানেও আমি অনেক পিকচার্স দেই and makeup videos upload kori in my IGTV video, and I'm speaking in Bengali just because it's Durga Puja tutorial, makeup tutorial, and our wait hocche na, it's like 1 week or 10, 11, 12 days late for the Puja, and OMG, I'm very excited because this is the time when I get very happy, excited shopping, then সব ফ্রেন্ডসদের সাথে রিইউনিয়ন, অ্যান্ড আমি এখন জাস্ট একটা কথা বলতে চাই ভিডিও শেষে। এখানে আমার কলকাতার ফ্রেন্ডস যাদের সাথে আমি থাকি, অ্যান্ড দি গ্রুপ উইথ হুম আই স্টে ইন জলপাইগুড়ি, দে হেল্প মি আ লট টু বিল্ড মাই চ্যানেল, ওকে? I don't want to take any name, but I will mention some of them, like, but I won't say in this video because you won't be knowing them. But if you go and check my Insta, you will definitely know that how they impact my life. Like my roommate who is just filming, she's like, আমি কি বলবো যে চল ভিডিও ফিল্ম করি, like you know that encouragement you get, and I know you please হাসিস না. So that's it, it matters, and there I get a lot of negative vibes from few people as well. But I want to say one thing. No matter you have 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 50k, 1 million subscribers, circle yourself with friends who motivate you, who will stand beside you, okay? So that's it. I'm being a bit emotional, but I don't need to, but it is like that, it happens like that, because in this generation, in this era, the people who will stand beside you in order to support you for your career, they are your real true ones, and don't let them go, okay? So yeah, that's it. Bye.